take a look at number 13. Number 13 says in the xy plane, and the xy plane is just some graph, right? Where this is x and this is y. So in this graph on this plane, the slope of a line, and here's one line, right? So this line is called y minus 4x, y equals mx minus 4. And this slope, the slope of this line is less than the slope of this line. And so we want to mark down those key words. We know that the slope of the line is less than this slope, than the slope of this line. And so we want to come up with some expression that is true about m. So let's write this down. We have one line, y equals mx minus 4. And then we have a different line, y equals x minus 4. And we know, right, so the slope is given here, it's represented as m, but it kind of looks blank here. So I want to point out that there is an assumed 1, right? Whenever the variable, right, the coefficient is missing, it's assumed to be 1. Now, what's really important and what is being tested is your knowledge of the slope-intercept form. And so I'll write that here, slope-intercept form. And so y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form, where m represents the slope and b represents your y-intercept. And a y-intercept again is if I have some line going through the xy plane, that spot where it touches the y right here that one time is your y-intercept. And so if you have two lines and you're trying to figure out something that's true about m, which is the slope of this line, the answer choices are comparing them, right? It's saying it could be -1, it could be 1, it could be less than 1 or greater than 1. And so we want to compare these slopes based on what the sentence says. In the xy plane, the slope of the line, m, right, m, the slope of the line, m, is less than, right, less than, the slope of the line y equals x minus 4. Well, earlier I said that it's assumed to be 1 if it doesn't show it, so the line for, or the slope for this line is 1. So m to the -1 power is c.